So this is day 2 of rebuilding my entire trading career. Today I'm going to be analyzing the charts, and then I'm going to be fixing my trading journal. I'm going to be finding businesses that I could contact, and then I'm going to be editing yesterday's video. So guys, let's see how much progress I can make. Like, I'll be analyzing the chart on TradingView, and then I'll be working on my trading journal. This is this trading journal. So like currently now, as you can see, the journal has like a bit of problems, right, which I'll be working on. You can see when I try to click some places or something like this, it doesn't really work. So I'll be working on it, and then I'll just be focusing on functionality first, and then I would also be finding businesses and finding ways I could reach them. So like through cold outreach now soon, and then I have to start editing this current video that I'm making, right? So that's the last one on my list. So as you can see, I already posted day 1. So if you're currently watching this video and you've not watched that, just go and watch this particular video up to trading view right now. So I'm going to analyze the chart. Obviously, for this video not to be long, I cannot show you my entire analysis, but I'm going to be analyzing the chart, and then I'm going to just show you the trades that I was able to find, explain the entire what I'm looking at out for on the chart. On gold now, this was a break and retest of this particular level, and then we're having a support level down here. All right, so on top of this support level on the daily time frame, come to the 4-hour, and then you can get up your entry somewhere here, and then go. That was the whole buy and everything. Now that we've broken this level, now we can continue this buy potentially. Now the only thing stopping this buy from happening is this level here. That's why you see price just went up here, it stopped, and then we are retracing. So then now 2 things could happen. Either we actually 3 things could happen. So it's either we continue from here, we continue this buy from here, or we can actually break this trend line, which is what I most likely think will happen. Price could break this trend line, not like break and go down, but to break small and then continue going up. You get something like that could happen. Why? Because of this resistance level above here. Or we could just break the trend line and just fall. But I don't think we are going to reverse this. Based on what the price action I'm seeing on that particular level, having I'll take gold. But for now, I'm not interested in buying at all. On BTC USD, this pair is like selling already. Like there's no reason that you should be buying BTC USD. But on the 4-hour time frame, like trend is going up, and we had broken this level that created this low. We have broken the high that created this low, and so they're going up. And what we want to focus on is on this immediate trend here, right? This immediate trend here. And then you can see this trend line that is currently coming up. And then in the 1-hour time frame, we have the more structured level. And then this is currently above the moving average. So we could continue this move up. Maybe if we engulf this candle or so, then I want to take the trade. But like this, it looks weak. So on this next candle now, we can continue this move that is currently happening. But also just sell. So I'll just want to wait. Honestly, I won't rush. It's currently 1:55 a.m. and I don't trade until like 8 or 7. So okay guys, I've already finished working on the journal right now, and I think it took up to like 2 hours to work on this entire journal. This is the entire journal. Like before, there was something here that I was pressing. So if I press it now, it will go into full screen mode, and I can press it to go back. But again, these filters now. So now I can, click on like open, and then as you can see, this is the current open trades that are available. And then once I click on closed, yeah, these are the current trades that are currently closed. And then I can select win. See, this is the trades I've won on shorts. You can see the equity curve keeps changing. I added a new page called strategies. So what the strategy is basically about is, now as I saw here, there are strategies here. So now you can actually filter by strategy. So on this London breakout now, this is just a test. Like you can basically come here and add a new strategy. You can basically input all this and get a new strategy, and you can see the approved pairs for this particular strategy. And then system. So these settings now, I upgraded the settings page, I added a profile, avatar. So since I'm the admin, I just put this profile image, and then as you can see, basically everything is working. So I'm working currently on connecting MT5 to this trading journal.
Senta no revolve que eu posto no TikTok. Quer sucesso, tu vai ganhar. Quer mentir, tu vai.
But this is not easy at all. But now I'm glad I did not give up, because I finished. I'll go and rest. And I know I have accomplished something today. And then I can replicate this thing tomorrow and just keep going. So as you can see on this screen, right? This is me scraping leads. Now I'm using Facebook. So you can see Facebook here. And then I'm targeting roofing companies, roofing businesses. So yeah, you can now click start scraping, and then it will automatically start scraping all the pages for you. So as you can see, I got 231 leads today. So now out of that 231, I'm going to be contacting 100 to 150. Then tomorrow again, I do another 100 to 150 again. Then I get new leads, something like that. So every single day, that's what I'm going to be doing, to be able to make capital trading. I've already thought about how I'm going to actually message these people. So I have two options, right? So the first option is I can send them a text like, "Hi, if you have 2 minutes for a quick call, you know, I can, walk you through on how you could get more leads for your business." Or not even walk you through. Walk you through sounds kind of, I could, tell you how you could get more leads and, potentially make more money for your business. So this second one now is I'm going to send them a voice note. So that voice note now is going to say something like, "Oh, I tried to call you on your normal line, but you didn't go through." Not on this WhatsApp, but like on the normal line, but it did not go through. So I came across your Facebook page, but it said closed for some reason. If you guys still open, then I'll not tell them, "Okay, call me back," or something like that. So once they now hear the voice note, they will now want to call me back. If I'm going to be trying the two, so whichever one works, that's the one I'll continue with. I'm going to create a new project right now for this video, and then I'll show you guys that one. Then I'll just edit this video and then post. So one more thing I also want to say is, once you actually start to make it, now you may not see results. Yeah, now I might not see results, but once I actually start to make it, once that day just comes and I actually start to find even a little bit of success, a little bit of improvement, once that day comes, there will be so much unlimited motivation to actually continue in that direction. I don't know if you get, but that's just what I'm thinking right now. Yeah, and that's it. See you on the next one, guys.